How to use the CapCut AutoCut features. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the CapCut and select the project you want to AutoCut to. So then once you select the project and you are in the editing section, then you can see Caesar clip icon, auto clip icon available right next to your video timeline. So there, as you can see, all you have to do is tap on that Caesar icon and you will get to see your AutoCAD features option available. Now choose the seconds, 0 to 15, 15 to 30 according to your preferences. So here I'm simply choosing the 0 to 15 and tap on the auto cut or auto trim option available there and wait for a few moments for this to load. Once loaded, you will get to see 4 or 5 clips option available on your screen. Now choose one and simply tap on the save option available there if you are okay with it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.